Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I will teach you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. First thing you have to do is to reduce background noise on your laptop. And how to reduce background noise on your laptop, you have to turn on the game mode on your Windows 10. How to turn on the game mode on your Windows 10? You have to go to settings. Go to the gaming. You see gaming. Turn on this game. You see this game mode. Turn it on and go here. Turn this. If default your game mode will be off, just turn it on. Second thing to do is to free up RAM on your system. How to free up RAM on your system? You will disable all the startup app on your system. That app that will automatically start up by itself without opening it. If you boot up your system, the app will automatically open. So we have to disable it so that your system can bring all the RAM and CPU on your laptop and focus it on your game. So let's go. So the thing you do is to open the taskbar. How to open the taskbar? Press Ctrl Shift plus E. You open the taskbar. You see process, perform, app history, and startup. Click that startup app. You see, I have disabled all the unwanted app that I don't want to, let the app to boot up by itself whenever I open my laptop. You see, if you, for example, now this on default, this your LinkedIn will be on enabled. Whenever you open your laptop, the LinkedIn will automatically open by itself. So you have to disable it. You have to right click and see the enable. You have to disable it. Press disable. So after doing all the same thing to the other app, just disable it. Anyone that you don't need to open by itself. But this thing you are doing is not gonna give any damage to your app. It's just gonna prevent it from opening by itself. Just turn everything off. Let's move to the step 3. Number 4 is to fix sudden network spike. Like the setting you turn on so your network will focus on your game. If this thing is off, like if you connect your laptop to the internet, your laptop will automatically to be updating unnecessary unwanted app on your system. So you have to turn it off. So whenever you are playing game on your laptop, all your data will focus on your game. Let's do it. Go to the settings. Go to update and security. Go to this delivery optimization. Turn this off. Turn it off. On default, this thing will be on. Just turn it off. After turning this off, you notice a boost whenever you open game on your laptop.